tell, I'm not out at the ranch. I'm actually back here at the studio, and I accidentally deleted the intro clip to the video. I wanted to have a second here real fast to kind of tell you a couple things. The mission for today was to drive some cattle from the bottom of the Palo Duro Canyon up 1,000 feet to the top of the canyon, and it was a big chore for us in the Hummer and for the Cowboys behind. Let's jump right into the video right now. Okay, so we're down in the barn, and we already got feed in the Hummer over there, and we're pretty much just getting ready. Yeah, Roger and Aaron are saddling up, and got my coffee, and we're ready to go. Oh, and I got some new lenses today. I'm probably not going to do that camera lens review, but you'll just get to see some different kinds of shots. But yeah, there's the camera. So we made it down into the canyon, and if you're interested in us driving into the canyon, there's a couple videos, previous vlogs you can check out. Just check out like driving Hummer into the second largest canyon or something like that. You can see some cool drone shots of us driving down. But right now we're just gonna probably start calling here in a second and pulling in the cattle. Then Cowboys will meet us down here, and we'll start pushing everything up. Okay, so for this part of the video, I'm going to be handing the GoPro over to Aaron, and we're going to get to watch his perspective for a little bit, and we're going to be pushing these cattle up out of the canyon, and I'll add in some drone footage and some commentary where needed.
Let's just get what we got and start up. Hey, when we get to the trail, we need to take our sweet time with these little babies.
Yes, sir.
Should I? I want to throw a new battery.
Smile, you on camera.
Oh, you bet.
You're gonna be in the video. Hopefully these girls don't make us run through the brush too much.
10 seconds later.
Wow. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go, youngins. Come on. Let's go, youngins. Come on. Let's go, youngins. Well, hopefully this camera's recording, but right now we are pushing our green tag heifers and their calves up out of the canyon, because soon it will be too hot for them to be down here. These calves, when they ain't with mama, they are a pain, boys. Go on, find mama, find mama. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit and try to get across it quick. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, good girl, good girl, good girl, good girl. Well, I don't know where Roger went, but as you can see, we have a small predicament going on at the moment. Hell, we're just gonna have to get up back around him.
Aaron's small predicament that he's talking about is, well, the cattle are going the wrong direction. And you can see him right here, he's bolting as fast as he can to get around them and start pushing them in the right direction.
As you can see, we are back at our starting point because sometimes the calves like to play games. I seen them, but honestly, I saw the herd take off running. I'd come help you before we lost everything. Good. I know we putting in the work. Look how pretty it is around here this fine morning that the good Lord Jesus Christ has blessed us with. It is a beautiful morning to be moving cattle. But let's hope we can get out of here before it gets hot.
I think we're on the right track.
I do believe so. You're also the best horse out here. Hey, 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 hey. Come on, youngins, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. This right here is an old feed barn. There used to be a zip line way back in the day that come from up there all the way down to here. And they would use that zip line to transport feed from up there, hopefully you can see what I'm talking about, down to here. Hey, let's go, come on. Come on. About to snatch you up by the tail, buddy. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, him? That calf? Let me chase him out of that hole real quick. Lariat, please do not leave me. Okay, you stay. For me. Ugh. Don't go up in there, little man.
Pardon the interruption, but I have to explain what was going on a little bit. So the calf was becoming purely exhausted and a little bit confused as you saw he was in that crevice there. So Aaron grabbed the calf and put it on his saddle so he carried the calf the rest of the way out of the canyon.
Hey, come on. Come on, let's go. Hey, 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 hey.
Get them. Go. Help.
It's getting hot now.
Yeah, it is. Hell yeah. Get out of here, kid.
And there gum.
Hey, 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 up.
Hey, hey, hey.
Up.
There's something different about this place. Something you don't really notice at first glance. This ranch, this canyon, this life, it isn't just a hobby. It isn't just a weekend getaway. It's who we are. It's what shapes us. I joke about it sometimes. I call it just a hole in the ground. But the Palo Duro is anything but that. It's wild, it's unforgiving, it'll humble you quick, and if you stay long enough, it will change you too. The men and women who work here, they don't just live on the land, they live with it. Every ridge and cut in the canyon has a story. Every scar on the cowboy's hands has one too. Personally, I've been blessed to wander this life, from the foggy hollers of the Appalachians to the snow-capped Rockies. But there's something different here, something harder to explain. The Cowboys of the Palo Duro, they aren't perfect people, but neither is the canyon. Maybe that's the point. Because out here, the rough rubs against the rough, and somehow, in the dust, in the fight, in ordinary days, something beautiful gets formed. Today, Aaron and Roger, they got that herd to the top of the canyon. That little calf made it back to mama, and we finished like we always do, tired, dusty, and surrounded by some of the best views in all of Texas. I hope you'll stick around for the stories, the laughter, and yeah, maybe a few tears too. So if you haven't already, I'd be honored if you hit that subscribe button. Come be part of this story with us. I'll see you next time.